on this video if you don't think you can go viral. Okay, just log off. Just click off my video and let somebody else watch it, because I don't need your view. Thank you. Actually, I do need your view. Can you also like and subscribe?
Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki, all of the Barbies is pretty damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
What's up, guys? It's your favorite YouTuber, Tish Renee, and I'm back with another video. Okay, if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a return watcher, what's up, bestie? You know I love you. So, your girl got monetized on Twitter within 3 days by accident. Don't tell me that Twitter is oversaturated. Don't tell me that nobody's on Twitter, okay? Just go ahead and click off this video, because if nobody's on Twitter, who's the 8 million people that saw my post? I don't know. First of all, social media, let me just say, is insane, right? And I have literally been trying to figure out how to get monetized and make money on various of different social media apps. Okay, it is 2024 and it's time to make money from content. I'm sorry, if you're not making money from content, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're watching this video, right? So let me tell you how to get monetized on Twitter. And you may not get monetized in 3 days like me, because honestly, I just am so shocked. Like, I feel like I just got lucky. But you literally can get monetized quicker than you think. Honestly, one day I was just like, you know what? I'm about to get on Twitter. I'm bored. Boom. I'm at home a lot, so I watch a lot of reality TV. Okay? I watch a lot of reality TV. Like a little bit too much. So sometimes I get on Twitter and I tweet about it. You know, I use the hashtags and I just tweet about it because I be in my feelings sometimes. You know how reality TV be having you like, girl, why did you do that? You know? So I'm watching my reality TV and I'm tweeting about it, and I'm noticing like my tweets is getting attention. So then I just kind of like been watching like what's been talked about over the last couple of days within that specific show that I was watching. So I ended up stumbling across some tea online, child, and I posted it on my Twitter account, and my Twitter just blew up out of nowhere. I was not expecting my Twitter to blow up, because honestly I was thinking like, I'm just really just doing what I usually do when I get on Twitter. Like, you know, a lot of people get on Twitter and they just tweet whatever, you know, and that's fine. You could definitely do that, but Twitter is usually like my space where I do just say whatever I want to say, and I don't feel like nothing is against me, you know what I mean? Twitter is like a little diary, like, in a way. So the post blew up, and it really went crazy, and it didn't even hit 1 million, but it was up there. It was like maybe, I don't know, 500 or something, maybe 500K impressions or something like that. Like, it really went up there, and I was like, whoa, what the heck? Or maybe no, my first one was like 200. It was small. It was like 200K, and I was just so shocked, like, oh my god. So once I seen that, I said, oh, you know what, I need to run this up. Like, don't let this bag go, okay? So I'm like, you know what, I'm about to keep on posting about the little situation. So for 3 days I was just like talking stuff, you know, commenting on people's stuff, people commenting on my stuff, whatever, you know. One day I had a whole day to myself, and I sat down and I'm like, okay, well, I'm about to get on Twitter, and I end up posting something that went and hit like 2 million views. Like, it was insane. Like, I could not believe that at all. 2 million views. And then I started like just posting other stuff after it, like, so those is getting up there, thousands, 12,000s, like just adding on. Okay, so I ended up getting monetized like very quickly off of that. Like, and I am making this video today to share with you what I did, how you can get monetized like that. Like, I'm not saying 3 days, but if you utilize these gems that I'm gonna drop in this video, then you too can get monetized like me. And there's only 3 things that you need to follow: your niche, your hashtag, and a trending topic. You can definitely be monetized less than a month, really, but I'm gonna give you to a month just in case you skip a couple days. But you need to be serious about it if you're gonna do it too. You know, don't just tweet and then just get off. Like, you need to really like be on the app, engage, tweet. Like, seriously, I I don't even know if they even still call it tweet anymore. Like, since it's X, do we say their posts? Like, what are they? Impressions? I don't know. That's another story. So first of all, in order to get monetized, you need to know the requirements. Like, you can't get monetized and want to do something you don't know the requirements, right? All right. First things first, you need 500 followers. Tish Renee, oh my God, what do I gotta do? I don't have 500 followers. 500 followers is gonna come if you use Twitter, okay? A lot of times people have already had old Twitter accounts and they just use those. Like, that's what I did. Honestly, my Twitter account already had like 1,300 followers. So when I went viral, it was easy for me to already get monetized because of that. So that's different. That's a different story. But you're gonna need 500 followers, okay? And the best way to do that is to tweet. So you're also going to need to have 5 million impressions. Tish Renee, oh my God, what is impressions? Oh my God, impressions are very similar to like views. So how many people viewed it, how many people interacted with the post, that's what impressions are. And on Twitter, it is a very easy to get impressions, okay? I am not kidding. It's very easy to get impressions on Twitter. But you gotta tweet, you gotta post, you gotta reshare. Everything counts as impressions. If you share something and quote it, that counts as impressions. Like running impressions up, okay? Whenever you comment on somebody's stuff, you giving that person impressions, okay? Impressions equals monetization, okay? Remember that. Once you get to 5 million impressions, you're one step closer to get monetized. Before then, before Elon Musk bought Twitter and called it X and all that good stuff, the way you could get monetized was having 15 million impressions. So I guess once Elon Musk bought Twitter and turned it into X, he lowered the monetization rules, similar to how YouTube did, because YouTube did the same thing. So it's easier for you to become monetized and make money off Twitter or X, whatever. Lastly, in order for you to start making money and get monetized, you will have to subscribe to a premium, okay? Not something I really honestly wanted to do, because why do I have to subscribe to you in order for me to make money? Like, Elon Musk is so smart. Like, when you subscribe to a premium option, basically it's a monthly payment that you have to pay, either $11, $22, or I believe it's $42. Yeah. And you pay that as a monthly subscription. And obviously the different levels give you different perks on Twitter. One of them, and most commonly being, you get the blue check mark. Like, that is where I was like, do I really want this? But you do get an option to hide the blue check mark if you don't want people to see the blue check mark. But it's not no big deal. I pay for it monthly now, so you're gonna see this blue check mark, okay? You're gonna see it. And you're not the only one who will have the blue check mark. It'll be other people who not celebrities and all that stuff with the blue check mark. So I guess this is Elon Musk's way of just really verifying your account. Okay, so in order to verify your account, you have to have some type of photo ID, take a picture holding it, and send it in to them. But that's upon once you get to that part to get monetized. Personally, me, I would not subscribe to a premium before I hit the 500 follower mark, also the 5 million impressions. I just will not do that. Like, I feel like you would be paying monthly for something that you're not really getting a kickback, because who cares about being verified on Twitter for real? You're not a celebrity. You don't have a bunch of followers already. So why would you pay a monthly subscription just to tweet? Like, I don't know. There are some perks. If you comment on somebody's stuff, they'll see your comment more likely versus other people that's not verified. So you're destined to get like more, you'll be more noticeable then. But is it really worth it when you're really not getting paid? You basically paying for a subscription that you're not really getting a lot back. So I don't recommend people to subscribe to a premium before you hit the 5 million impressions and the 500 followers. I just don't. I don't think it makes sense. At the end of the day, premium features have their pros and cons when you're not monetized, okay? So now I'm going to tell you the 3 things that you guys need to do in order to get to those 5 million impressions. And if I haven't said it before, you have to hit 5 million impressions within 3 months. You can definitely do this, okay? This is definitely possible. You can become monetized less than 3 months. But in order for you to hit the 5 million impressions, you have to have 5 million within the last 90 days. If you follow these 3 things, you will be able to get monetized. 1, you're going to need a niche, okay? That's with any social media channel. In order for you to be like really somebody, something important, whatever, someone who goes viral, you need some type of thing that you are known for, okay? What are you known for, and what do you want to be known for on Twitter? Those things can be gaming, traveling, health, wellness, makeup, blogs, etc. Whatever you choose to focus on. You know, if you just want to be yourself, but you're going to have a hard time with just being viral with just being yourself, you know what I mean, on Twitter at that. Like Twitter, usually people come to Twitter when they're like kind of really already established, so it's good to kind of stay away from the whole me personality thing, because everybody is a personality on Twitter. Like, be for real, you know. Next, you're going to need a trending topic, okay? You need a trending topic. So we know your niche, but find some trending things or things that's happening now, what's popping now within your niche, okay? Very similar to a lot of other social medias, okay? So this is not nothing new. If you already kind of made a name on any of the other socials, these are very similar tactics that I'm giving you. However, it still applies to Twitter. A lot of people do not think it does, but it does, okay? A lot of times, if you follow your pages that's similar to your niche, you can kind of figure out like what's the trending topics that's happening or what people are talking about on Twitter regarding it. Every time you tweet, you need to have a trending hashtag. If you are trying to go viral and you are using a niche for wellness, you need to be putting a hashtag every time you make a tweet about wellness, okay? And it needs to be a good hashtag, a hashtag that people are using, honey. So don't just put anything, because you can make up your own hashtag and it be a hashtag, but use something that's very relevant, that's already getting looked at, that's already getting used by other people or other pages that you follow that's similar. That's how you do it, okay? I'm dropping gems. Write that down. Write that down. Write that down. And honestly, even specific keywords or buzzwords you can use in your tweet to draw attention. Even if you don't use the hashtag itself, you can use buzzwords in your post, okay? So not all the time you need a hashtag, but you need to be saying some type of buzzwords that's trending as well in replace of the hashtag, okay? But when in doubt, use the hashtag, child. Just use the hashtag, okay? Don't make it difficult. Don't make it difficult. You can also use your search tab, the little search option at the bottom corner, at the bottom of the app. I think it's like the second option. Use that, click on that page, and it'll take you to like topics that's for you, and then it has a trending topic tag, so you can click on either of those to kind of see like what's happening as well. That'll also show like the popular hashtags that's being used within your niche or that's for you based on your algorithm, because algorithm is definitely the tea, okay? It's all your tea, matter of fact. BFFR. Those are the 3 things that you essentially need to get monetized quicker on Twitter. You need that niche, that trending topic, and those trending hashtags. Without that, your tweets are nothing. Just give it up. Wastebasket, trash can, okay? Like, they're nothing. I'm just being honest, they're nothing. If you don't have those 3 things within those tweets, you might as well just go ahead and log off Twitter, because we ain't gonna see it. We ain't gonna see it. I'm literally seeing people do this all the time, and they think just because they got a popular topic that they're good, but the popular topic is not winning without the popular hashtag, without the popular, you know, like, you gotta make your content something. On top of that, follow your metrics, okay? Twitter has like X Analytics. It's called X Analytics, not called Twitter Analytics. It used to be called Twitter Analytics, but it's called X Analytics. There you can kind of see your impressions. Each tweet counts towards your impressions, so they all add up, okay? Each tweet is important, okay? Whether you got 50 on here, 1,000 on here, 200 on there. That all adds into your 5 million impressions. When you, like I said before, when you quote somebody else's tweet and you get impressions on that tweet, that also adds to it. So you have to utilize the app. Comment on other people's stuff. When people see your comment on other people's tweets, under other people's tweets, you get impressions by being viewed, okay? That's why it's important to engage. Any app that you engage on, you can get back with some type of receivement, okay? So don't be oblivious. We spend all these times on this social media app and we're getting nothing in return. So I encourage everyone to follow these steps. Use pictures, use videos, like use gifs, like anything that you can use to bring attention to your tweet, to stand out, to get likes, to get shared, to get bookmarks, whatever you can to kind of bring attention to your tweets. If you want to subscribe to a premium to where your tweets may be seen by more people, do that, you know, do that. I know some people, they follow popular people who usually get like millions and millions of views on their tweets. If you're the first person to comment on their tweet, your tweet is likely to get more, it's likely to be seen first before a lot of other people. In order for people to comment on it, they'll see your tweet first. Obviously, if you're not subscribed to a premium, your comment may get lost among the other comments, but that's fine. You know, at least you got whatever you got when you started. If you constantly keep doing this every week, you'll definitely reach your goal quicker than you think. It's definitely possible to get monetized within 3 months. So don't say Tish Renee didn't give you anything. Comment down below, thank you Tish Renee, because these are gems. Don't play with me, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. But I hope this helps. If you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe if you already haven't. Comment down below, what social media site should I focus on next? I feel like I'm leaning towards TikTok, but I know also TikTok is going to take a lot of time to get monetized because there's so much competition. My goal this year is just to get monetized on various platforms so I can start making money on content too. I'm trying to be your content bae, okay? If you want me to be your content bae, just say that. Just say that.
Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out.